So today we're going to be reviewing the Apogee Aspire. So this is a really fun rocket. It's a mid-power rocket. You can do a G motor if you wanted to go over 1,000 miles per hour, or there's a special F motor that can you actually able to go over a mile high. So I definitely like this rocket. It's an easy build. You had to do some epoxy fillets on the fins, but that's probably the most difficult part. Here we have the Apogee Blue Streak, which we did the same paint scheme on them. So this is the Ramses, which is the Apogee Blue Streak. So that's just for reference. So we have these two. But overall, this is a really fun rocket, which I really enjoy. My review would be probably a 4 out of 5 stars, maybe a 3.5. The only problem is if you launch it with those motors, you don't have a very good chance of recovering it, because a mile high is going to go pretty far. So other than that, it's a very nice rocket.
And Apogee Aspire, this is probably going to move really quick, so if you blink you'll miss it, but it's right here in front of us, going up on pad A7 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is the remnants of the Apogee Aspire. We launched it recently at a club launch, and it hit Mach 1 about 1 second into the flight. After that, it disintegrated the fin can, which kind of led to a spiral of its demise. At max Q, it kind of just stopped and disintegrated itself. This is the remnants, and like Icarus, it flew too close to the sun.